Alright, I redressed my grinding wheel there. So this is the finish I'm getting now. Really smooth. This is the old finish. So this is the harder material, the stellite, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that one. And we'll see how much better of a finish we get now. It also sounds different because it's cutting better. So a big difference in noise, and then there's a before and an after shot. So you can see a difference when you got a nice sharp stone, how good it works. So when the stone starts making a bunch of noise like it was on mine, you know it's time to redress it. So yeah, you can see the differences quite a bit. Alright, I got 4 done, big pile to go, so we're going to keep moving on here. Okay, we're going to grind our valve face here on the valve. It's really hard to see the valve right here, but basically you center it up, then you bring your grinder in, and you grind on it. So we'll blow that up a little bit for you. You can kind of see the valve right there. So the grinder will come across right there and do a little grinding. So it's really hard to see. But, oh well, we'll see what we can do. Grind a 45-degree cut first. Well, I can see. I need to get a little closer than that. Not that close. That was pretty much a screw-up job there, but oh well. Need to sharpen the stone a little bit. We only have the best for YouTube here. Okay, recenter it again. Come back and forth. Cutting a lot better now. Okay, then you look at your face, make sure you got a good edge on it. All looks pretty good. So we change our angle to our back cut. I'm going to do a 30-degree back cut on this one. This valve had a big lip on the back side. That's why I'm using a 30. Still on there. Alright, that's enough. Get pretty narrow. I'm going to come back and try a little bit lower angle. See if I can get that lip off the damn top of the valve head I hate. Alright. So as a triple cut on our valve. When you use crappy valves that aren't made right, that's what you got to do to make them look better. So now, pull this out. Oop, wrong direction. So now you can see we have multiple valve angles on here. Let me blow it up a little bit better. There we go. See if the camera will focus on that. Yeah, doesn't want to. Trying to give it something to focus against. Anyway, making oil and everything. So you can see right here on the, you got 3 distinct angles on here. See a nice float head coming across here now when you do the separate angles. A performance valve would already have that like that. So here's what we started with. You can see the, has that lip right there. Hey, the camera finally focused. So now you got the lip right there, and then over here you can see how the lip is completely cut away that was on it before. So makes it flow a lot better. Now these ones here, this is a kibble white. You can see how it has a real nice higher tulip and more flow to it. And this here is the other style exhaust valve. And you can see how there's a little more transitional difference. I'll cut the difference between here and here to make it smooth. So when we're all done, it'll be smooth like this valve here. So yeah, that's the different valves. So we're going to cut one of these kibble whites. See what they look like. See, I got my angle where it belongs. Okay, see if you can see in there anything. Not really. There we go. Here the valve is not hitting evenly. That's why I honed the stems to take all the dog legs out of everything. I rechecked it up at repeating, so we'll go with that. Now it's starting to clean. Here it's cutting evenly. So you look at your surface, make sure it's clean all the way around. And then we do the back cut on this one also. So this one here will, I'm not sure if it's intake or exhaust. It's one of them. So we'll do this at a 35 degree. And we do the same back cut we did on the other valve. And we're done. Damn it, let's go the wrong direction. So now this valve here, you can see how it's, we took the lip off. It didn't have much of a lip to begin with, but we smoothed it up and took away some of that lip also. So I'll go ahead and cut one of these other valves here, and we'll see what this one looks like. It should be about the same thing. So anyway, I'll go and do all these valves, excuse me, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what they all look like after we're done. Everything's cleaned up.